Hello, friends. So, in this new series, we are going to learn that about quarks. Basically, in previous section, you have looked at quarks is basically designed for containers because want to have containers lightweight. Quark is unified implementation and reactive, which means basically it can use for synchronizing and asynchronous operations. So Quarks provides library supports for you don't have to run the application when you change something on it, and there are a lot of different libraries and different integration standards which are integrated into Quarks. So I'm also creating an application here with the groups which we have taken it up, and we have defined our in the application dot properties. We have made a small program, and with our this we have launched a Quark server. So the Quark server can easily be launched by the command. Here we can see we can launch the command by clearing the package and then compile a quarks def. So after implementing this basically, the server will be launched, and uh, after launching this server, you can have the clean package. So this clean package will be packaging all the things. So after that, we can have an IntelliJ, and in IntelliJ we have the pom.xml basically, and there we have already gathered all the dependencies, and here we are having that Docker also, which will helping us to streamline the process. So as we have seen that we have already taken up the package mvnw clean package command we have already run. So now we will run the curl command to see that whether the changes which we have made in our file, so that are reflecting to us or not. So here we will be saying hello YouTube Mayank. So we will mentioning it, we will save it, and then we will write http um, curl and http localhost, and we will give the 8080 port, and we will write it hello. So here you see that we have got hello YouTube Mayank, which we have written here. So it is very fast response it is giving to us. This fast response exactly we can see with other where we have opened this with, if we give only this curl http only, we will give this we will give this localhost 8080, and just we launch, then we will get the XML. See, this is like a HTML file where it has the Docker has already have the telling us the speed and span time, and how much it's taking the total received file, and what's the current speed. So it's very fast, and if we write the command here curl http localhost 8080, port number, and then write hello. The same thing we can retrieve it from here also with all the speed details, that how fast this transaction is. So Quarks is Kubernetes native Java framework, tailored for Graal VM and hotspot, crafted from best of breeds of Java libraries and standards. The goal of Quarks is to make the Java a leading platform in Kubernetes and serverless environment, while offering developers a unified, reactive, and impressive programming model to optimally address a wide range of distributed application architecture. So that's about the Quarks. So in the coming video series, we will also see that how with Java compiler tools we can see that how the graph is moving with respect to speed, that so that we can see how the this lambda of AWS and Quark is running on different platforms, and how fast the Quark is giving the result than the lambdas of AWS. So that's it. Keep continuing. We will see that by making one Alexa application also in the coming series. Thank you.